It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about the cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. We have not talked about Shiba Inu for a while on this channel, but we're going to dive into it because a lot of people have been asking, and they have been asking this in particular. This is an article here from the street. The question is, what is Shiba Inu? And people always ask, is it a good investment? That is the exact headliner here. For those of you, if you don't know already, I'm not going to read the entire article, but you can check this out, do that Google search, read it in its entirety. You got it at your own pace, at your own time. So this is some information here. With a token supply of nearly 400 trillion, buying SHIB is like buying one of the 11,000 plus altcoin lottery tickets. You never know what you're gonna get. So there are so many altcoins, and obviously altcoins refers to something that is not pretty much Bitcoin or Ethereum. And I would even throw Litecoin in there because those are kind of like the master coins, but mostly Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the king. So let's take a look at some fast facts here, and we're going to just discuss a little bit of most of them. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 altcoin created on the Ethereum blockchain. So pretty much Shiba Inu comes from that blockchain of Ethereum, which is pretty much why so many people love Ethereum, because you can create different projects on Ethereum and it is just an endless supply of what you could do on Ether. So that is why Ethereum is so highly touted when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The coin was created by an anonymous individual going by the name Ryoshi and dubbed the Dogecoin Killer. So this whole Dogecoin Killer thing came about because Dogecoin was doing so great and it had this big pump and this big rise. So to call yourself the Dogecoin Killer, one would assume that Shiba Inu could be that next evolution in something that is similar to Dogecoin. There are almost 400 trillion SHIB coins in circulation with a max supply of 1 quadrillion coins. People, that is insane. That is a lot of SHIB going around in circulation. Long story short, you could get millions of these for a very low price. And if SHIB is to go up in price, it's going to take trillions and trillions to be purchased by people. But keep in mind, SHIB is definitely a newer coin, so it's going to take some time. The Shiba Inu creators have created an ecosystem of 3 coins known as SHIB, Lease, and Bone, and a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. So basically, we don't have just Shiba Inu, there is Leash and Bone. If you want to know more about them, I suggest do that quick research and just see how they're interconnected and how they're in tune. Ryoshi sent Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, half of the supply of the token. Look what happens next, people. Buterin donated and burned all of his holdings in early May, tanking the price. The SHIB white paper was updated after Buterin's donation, saying that they were good for the coin and that Buterin is a friend of SHIB. Of course, Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. Some SHIB investors were misled to believe that Buterin was an investor in the project. Indeed, he was not an investor, but this is what they thought because of the news that was going around and so many things moving so fast with SHIB coin. Shiba Swap has received an audit that revealed centralization risks, where a developer had the authority to withdraw all the ERC20 token, Bone token, to any arbitrary address that they wish. So this is definitely something that you have to keep your eyes out on for SHIB, Shiba Inu. These are some quick facts. I just suggest that you dive more deeply into it and just take a look at what is going on with Shiba Inu coin. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So what is Shiba Inu? We're going to take a look here. As it says, SHIB is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. SHIB token is our first token and allows users to hold billions or even trillions of them. Nicknamed the Dogecoin Killer, this ERC20 only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time, relatively speaking. So yeah, since there are trillions and trillions of coins, this thing is going to be under a penny, and it could be there for a long time. The token's white paper says that the intention is to build an ecosystem consisting of 3 tokens with different supplies. SHIB is the ecosystem's foundational currency with a max supply of 1 quadrillion. Leash is the second token created and has a supply of 107,646 tokens. And the third token is Bone with a supply of 250 billion tokens, if I'm not mistaken. So look, people, it's an ecosystem. These things work interconnected. Just know that Shiba Inu is the foundational one. It's kind of the one that holds the other 2 together as they intermingle and intertwine. Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin. So as you could see, Elon Musk has tweeted about both of these. I'm not going to get into this whole thing right now. As I said, you could look it up to find out more. Who could ever stop ignoring and thinking about this? This right here is the foundation of Dogecoin. Come on now, this is an adorable dog right here. You gotta love it. This is why Dogecoin is so lovable. But look, let's talk about Shiba Inu and the price, right? So Shiba Inu is currently going for 0.000062 cents. This is a 1-year chart right here. It is currently up more than 4 million%. That is absolutely insane given that the price has dropped off. It's just wild numbers here. Let's take a look at TradingView. This was all the way up here when Shiba Inu was going for 0.00033961 cents. Now it is currently down to 0.000619, which is way less. Look, the main point, this is under a penny. I know a lot of you right now looking at this like it's crazy, but just think about that spike up once it reverses, and we will see this huge, humongous triangle all the way on the other side going up that way to the right. It's going to be a monumental increase if it indeed does happen. But let me just say one thing here. I'm not one of those people that are going to tell you buy Shiba Inu. I think everyone has to do that research, do your due diligence, because at the end of the day, the thing with Shiba Inu is it's going to take time. Look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin goes back years where it was not doing anything for years. A lot of people consider Dogecoin a dead project, and I'm sure the same is going to happen with Shiba Inu. Many people will believe that it will never move. It could very well take years for it. My suggestion to you guys, throw in some money on Shiba Inu if you're willing to invest. It's going to take years. Don't even look at the price action. Just forget that it even exists actually. This is a very long play. You're going to just look at it years from now. And if this thing picks up momentum, since you were an early investor, you could reap the benefits and reap the rewards. But don't expect this to go up overnight. That is my advice to everyone. Of course, not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do with your money. You can't tell me what to do with mine. This is just an example. If I had the money for it, throw a few bucks at it. Forget about it and don't even think about it. going to take years and years. Of course, this is cryptocurrency. I could be wrong, but at the end of the day, I have a strong gut feeling it will take years for the price to increase. And given how money works with inflation and everything, this could be a profitable one. Just don't expect that profit anytime soon. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we could move the algorithm here in YouTube and have more eyes seen on the channel. If you didn't like the video, it's all good. Give it a thumbs down. It's a free country. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay notified, up to date, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.